The fact find is where you enter details about your client. The best way to do this is to work down the page, entering details into each section. I'm just going to show you the basics, the details all clients will have. We'll start with their personal details. As you can see, I've already entered in the details for this client: names, date of birth and address. I've also added their child, Nathan. I'm going to skip lifestyle goals. This is used to better understand your client, but it won't affect the calculations done by Telos. I will enter some income. I'll enter $75,000 per year and plan for a 1% pay increase for a few years before the pay increases stop. As you can see in this row, a contribution of 9% per year is made to super. We're going to increase that to 11%. We'll save that and keep going. Next, we could add other income such as Centrelink payments, but it's not necessary and we're going to skip that. Next, we'll add some assets. First, we'll add some super. In this case, John has a retail super fund, we'll call it AU Super, and has $100,000 in it. Let's save that. And we can also enter in their house. In this case, they already own the house, and it's worth $500,000 with a $100,000 mortgage. It's set to be a never sell asset, which means it's not considered investable. It will increase at 1% above inflation. We'll save that, and I'll show you that you could add other assets. Things like holiday homes or investment properties, term deposits, a car or a business. In this case, we'll keep it simple and only add cash. We'll add $50,000 that they're prepared to hand over to the planner to manage for them. You could also add an inheritance if they were expecting inheritance at some point. Next, we'll add some withdrawals. Here we'll make a new withdrawal, in this case, school fees for Nathan. We'll say that his school will cost $10,000 per year. This money will be taken from income and it will be recurring. We'll make it from the age of 5 to 17, and it will create an entry for every year of the recurring withdrawal. We'll just show you that it's possible to add other types of withdrawals such as aged care costs, a car purchase, holidays or mortgage repayments. Finally, we will have a quick look at investment details. This shows the return assumptions and volatility Telos will use for its calculations. That's about it for the fact find. You can now see that the estimated retirement income is around $42,000. In step 2, the optimizer, we look at what the client can do to increase this. The charts will be explained in a separate video.